Guys, as a part of our Python tutorial. In this video, we are going to create a empty array by using the empty method, which is a inbuilt method in our NumPy. Okay, so I am using the Visual Studio Code Jupyter Notebook to demonstrate the code here. Just click on the add new code cell. Okay, and quickly add import the NumPy. Import NumPy has np. Okay, now I want to create a array, a empty array. Okay, how we can able to create a empty array? We have a built-in method called empty. Okay, so create a variable arr. Let's say arr1 equal to np dot. So we have method called empty. Just use the method empty, and we need to provide the array shape, that is the rows and columns here. So we are providing the rows and columns in a tuple. Okay, so open the round brackets. I want to create a empty array of 3 rows and 6 columns here. So I am providing the 3 rows and 6 columns, and I'm not providing any data type here. So default, the empty array is created with random variables, random values. So whatever value it will give it here. So now I want to print the array, generate array here. Just say print arr1. Okay, just provide the name of the array and print it here. So if you see, the values which is provided is the random values it will provide here. So we are creating empty array, but the array will be filled with random values here. Okay, if we guess once again, the values will change. So we are creating an array of size of shape 3 rows, 6 columns, and this is the empty array. But what happened in backend, the NumPy will give the fill this array with some random values here. Okay, some random values. You can see here the output is random values. Now I want to specify the data type. So I want to create a empty array of specified data type. So here I am use one more parameter is a d type. They provide a d type as np.int. So there the data should be int here. So click on run. So now we are creating an empty array with default values. These are the default values. Okay, and the data type is a int. Okay, now I want to uh, uh, change the shape of the array. Here instead of rows and columns, I want to mention the block also. I say 3 blocks with 3 rows and 6 columns here. So just run here. See, no values got changed. This is the how the empty array works. So automatically provides some default values here. Okay. So here what I'm doing, I'm using the empty method. Okay, which is the built-in method NumPy, and here I'm mentioning as 3 blocks and 3 rows and 6 columns here. If you see, this is one block. See, this is the one block and second block and third block. And you see the values? You see some random values here. Instead of creating an empty array, it has created some random values where you can able to change these values here. So this is the use of empty method to create a empty array in NumPy. Okay. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.